Hi, today I want to show you how to add remove magnification to your DOOGEE S Punk. To do it, open your settings application. In it, scroll and look for your accessibility, and there we must open our magnification, where we must turn on our shortcut magnification, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap and swipe with it on screen and select place when you want to have it. To zoom our script, tap on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of our zoom using two fingers and swiping with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out using this feature, or when we use only one finger we can go up and down. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.